Hey guys, I'm Darren here.
I'm Chris,
And welcome to our beautiful home. We actually went through the painstaking journey of finding an ID. We went through about 7 to 10 IDs in total. Our idea and our theme of our home was actually going to be more of a modern look. But Ben quickly helped us realize that actually our theme was actually more towards the moody, which was like warmer tones along with wood slabs and a lot of curves.
Me and Darren, we are going towards a darker theme tone, but of course with the guidance of Ben himself, he emphasized that darker tone doesn't mean, we will get what we want. It's really all about the lighting. This actually gave out the whole entire vibe, the homely feel for us.
I think the QC control from the team was really excellent. They were very engaging with us. Sometimes we came back, they will still be here, and we just talk to them and converse with them, and that we were just very happy with their service. The strength of M2 Decor is also in their in-house carpentry. So we didn't really have to wait for a very long time. Actually, the whole house was completed in about 8 weeks in total. I would definitely recommend M2 Decor to any new homeowners or any resale owners because of the painless and honestly the fun experience we had in designing our dream home. So thank you M2 Decor and thumbs up to you guys.